All right, I just had to show some unbelievable stuff. Okay, you see that? That right there was the kitchen sink cabinet. There's a sink that was in it right there, okay? Now that's bad enough, but this is what I want to show you. This is the plumbing. All right, so you look in there. They had it duct taped in, first off. That's what they had it duct taped into. Okay. Now this contraption, I'll try to get it to where you can see, is what they had going. That's how they had the sink hooked up. Right there. Tailpiece. Upside down. Into call it a double J bin. Double S trap. Or anyhow. With part of a double sink kit. Anyway, yeah. So that's the drain. Now this was the original drain to the house, right there. But they went and looks like just get some light going here. Busted a hole in the pipe and said, yeah, we'll duct tape it in there. So yeah, there you go. Good stuff, good stuff. Yeah, so absolutely wonderful. Yeah, and I've also started tearing down that stuff. Trying not to breathe it. So, yeah. Also had some rot under the window on the sheathing on the inside of the house. It's all wafer board in here. So we was starting to tear it out like I did that one there. And yeah, all the way through. Siding's falling off on the outside of the house. Yeah, seal's gone. Like, subscribe, and follow.